A very good morning, dear students. Today we will see the one Internet of Things application by using ESP8266. This board is now very versatile to control the any devices from the internet. Basically, we have the one application Blink. This application is only for the IOT applications. How we can use this application we will see in the part 2, but right now we are controlling the devices by using this Blink app. Now we are using the relay module to connect the AC devices. Right now the devices are not connected, but you know very well. See here, basically we have the fan, light, then light lamp and TV. Then first I want to turn on the fan, turn off the fan. You can see on a relay module fan it is on and off. Then we'll turn on and turn off the simultaneously also. Fan and light we can simultaneously turn on and off. Then TV and then night lamp. We have the 4 AC devices, and we design a one dashboard on this Blink software, and through this we can control the, once again we will see the first device is fan. I on it, then after that I on the light, and same things, fan and light is on now, and same devices we can control from the laptop also, as well as a real-time status we can show on this Blink cloud software here. Right now see, fan and light is on, means we can control from mobile also and we can control from the laptop also. Now see, I off the light and fan, both the things I have off here. Only the TV is right now on. See here, same status is here, TV is in on states. Now see, now the very important part is that we will observe the output or dashboard of mobile as well as the dashboard of laptop simultaneously. See, right now the TV is in on state. You can observe on laptop also, and you can observe on a mobile also. Independently we can control the devices from laptop as well as IoT. Only the need is that both the laptop should have the internet. Through the internet we can control it. Now let us see, I on the fan from laptop, still it is reflected on a mobile. You can observe it. Right now I on the all the devices, same status is reflected on a mobile also. Now see, now once again I turn off the night lamp, then further I turn off the light, then I further turn off the fan. Only the TV is in on state, and right now the light is in on state. Fan is on and night lamp is on. All the devices are right now in on state. Now let us see what is the status of devices. You can observe all the devices is in on state, means we can control the AC devices from the both things. Right now see, controlling from the mobile. Now first I turn off the fan, it is also reflected on a laptop. Then further I turn off the next devices, then further I turn on the TV, and then further I turn on the